Here's how to format a table within a Google Doc. First, you need a table. Go to Insert and Table and select how many rows and columns you'd like. So I think I want the first 3 cells to be kind of like a header at the top of the table. So I'm going to select across all the way and right click and select Merge Cells. So that gives me just 1 row all the way across the top. And I would like that to be a particular color, so I click back in and go to the paint bucket, and I'm going to choose dark purple. And I would like to put some text in there. And I notice I can't see the text very well, so I'm going to go back and highlight that and make the text white and bold and a little bit bigger. And I'm also going to center it. So I think the only other thing I'd like to do now is kind of make the outlines just a little darker. So I'm going to select everything and go up to the border width here at the top and select 1.5 to make my lines just a little darker.